name the following compounds. In the first compound, we have Na, which is sodium. It's one of the alkali metals, and being in the first column, it is a well-behaved anion, or cation. Positive charge, we do not need any Roman numerals after it. Then, from the table of polyatomics, you should recognize NO3 as a polyatomic ion of the name nitrate. And sodium nitrate would be our final name. In the next compound, we have aluminum. It is also well behaved, so it, again, does not need a Roman numeral. And the chlorine is a well-behaved anion, but as with the well-behaved anions, we change the suffix to IDE, making this chloride. In the next problem, we have carbon and oxygen, both of which are nonmetals, making this a covalent compound of carbon dioxide. The prefixes tell us how many of each element we have present. If the first one is just one, as we have in the case of carbon here, we don't say monocarbon dioxide. We leave the mono off, the first element. In the last one, Ti stands for titanium, but it is a transition metal, so I'll leave my empty parentheses there. And it's followed by oxygen, which is a well-behaved anion that is changed with the suffix of IDE into oxide. But we need to figure out the charge on the titanium. I only have one titanium, so I'll call it X. But I have two oxygens. Each oxygen is 2 away from the nearest noble gas. And if this is a stable compound, it should have a 0 total charge. So my X would equal +4. This would be titanium 4 oxide.